So when the system of varna and asrama is destroyed, just like in Western countries, there is no such thing as varna and asram. Therefore, the varna sangha, the hippies, there is varna sangha. The varna sankar in the Bhagavad Gita, if the varna sankar increases, strishu dustashu, varna sankara abhibhavati. When women become polluted, no fixed up husband, that is pollution for a woman, no chaste, no chastity, then this varna sankar will come out. And when the world is overpopulated by varna sankar, it will become a burden. Therefore, it so became atheist, varna sankar, demons, so it was unbearable by the earthly planet. And it is said, Yada yada hi dharmasya glani bhavati bharata tadatmanam srijamaham. Therefore, Mother Earth went to appeal, please come and save me, I am very much overburdened. Therefore it is said, Bharavataranayo, diminish. So, 5,000 years ago, Krishna came to kill some of the demons. Not all of them were demons. But next time when Krishna will come, it will be only demons. Only demons, Kalki Avatar. What is that stotra? Kesavadhita kalki sharira jaya jagadish hare. So at that time, Krishna will not preach Bhagavad Gita. Kalki Avatar will simply come to cut the throat only. That will be preaching. That will be preaching. Mlecha nivaha nidhane kalo atikaravalam. Karalam. Karal means death personified. Mlecha nidhane. Mlecha means meat eaters. Those who are meat eaters, fish eaters, they are mlechas. Mlecha jawan, they are called, according to Vedic. So, people are becoming meat eaters nowadays. There is no secrecy. Formerly, at least in India, the meat eaters used to eat meat very secret. We had seen in our childhood, if somebody will meat eat, it was not allowed within the house. They formerly, rich men, they used to keep Muslim servants as the caretaker of the horse or the carriage driver. So, in the Astaval, they would secretly cook some meat and the so-called Babu, Jamindar, will eat. It was not allowed. And those who are not rich men, poor men, Shudra class, they would go to Kalighat and get one goat, sacrifice there, and cook there and eat, then come back. Meat eating was not at all allowed. The higher caste, especially the Brahmins, they would never touch. Still, in some provinces, in Maharashtra provinces, in Madras, of course they are now taking. So meat eaters means mlecha. So now that is increasing, meat eaters. So when wholesale population will be meat eaters, mlecha, they will not understand anything about spiritual matter, why it is forbidden. Because the meat eaters, they cannot understand anything about spiritual matter. It is very difficult. बिना पशुना परीक्षित महाराज से निर्वित्त तर सही उपगीय माना भवौषधि क्षोत्र मनोभिरामा क उत्तम श्लोक गुणानुवादात विरज्यति पुमान बिना पशुघ्ना. This chanting of Hare Krishna Mahamantra is possible by person who is nirvitta tarsa. Nirvitta tarsa. Nirvitta means finished. Brahmani upasamasram. We have to finish this material business before we can understand spiritual things. If one has got still inclination for material things, it is useless waste of time for him to understand, try to understand what is spiritual thing. So nirvitta tarsai rupagiya mana. Actually, the holy name of Lord can be chanted by a person like Haridas Thakur, who has no other desire, material desire. But those who are not like Haridas Thakur, in the material, Bhavaushadhi, if he chants, then gradually he will be released from this material disease. For them this is the chance. Actually it is meant for liberated person like Haridas Thakur. Then why we are chanting? We are chanting Cheta Darpana Marjanam to cleanse our heart, to cure the material disease. So long people are materialistic, the burden will increase. And so long people are spiritualistic, there will be no burden. So Bhara avataranaya anne bhuvo nava vibodadho. Just like if there is a boat, then you can cross over the sea or the river with the help. So when you are Krishna conscious, then you can cross over the sea of nescience very easily. Bhuva now ivo udadho sidanta bhurivarena. Bhurivarena, very heavily burdened. So she was lamenting, my Lord, save me. So the conclusion is that if people become simply atheistic or materialistic means atheistic, and then the weight of the earth or any planet will increase and the situation will degrade and everyone will be unhappy and there will be restlessness. And at that time Krishna comes, he says, Jada jada hi dharmasya glani bhavati. So at the present moment, actually it is overburdened by the material activities. So Krishna has descended already. Krishna has descended already. Nama rupe kolikale, Krishna avatar. Krishna has taken his incarnation in the form of Hare Krishna Mahamantra. So if people take to it, chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, the present situation of the world can be favorable for our living, and atmosphere will change. Therefore, the Krishna consciousness movement is meant for this purpose, to give people relief from all these burdens so that they can peacefully live, understand the value of life and become spiritualized. So they live peacefully in this life and go back to home, back to God. That is the mission of Krishna consciousness movement. Thank you very much.